Okay, it's being proxied through ZAP. Okay, now let's go to ZAP history. This is our request for the lab. Let's hide it. So here we are not seeing any cookie, so let's refresh the page so that we get the cookie in the HTTP request header. So here is our cookie, and we need to inject blind SQL injection here. Okay, the question says there is a column named username and password inside table users, and we need to get the password for administrator. So here's the solution provided by Web Security Academy, but we will not follow that. You can go through it, but as we know, there is already a user named administrator in the table. So let's go and find out the length of the password. Okay, go to ZAP, and here is our request. We will open it in requester tab. Here is our request cookie. So let's inject payload for finding out the length of the password. And select case when length of password is greater than 1, close when, then else 2 character 1 divided by 0 and from users where username equals to administrator, close select equals to A. Okay, this is our payload for testing password. Let's test. This will obviously return OK, 200 OK response, because the password obviously should be greater than 1. So send, and let's wait for the response. Select case. Okay. Where is our response? Yes, we have got our response. Okay, our response. Now if we make it equals to 1, then we should get error. Send. Okay, we have get our error 500 error when we equal the password to 1, and if you make it greater than 1 then 200 okay response. Okay, now let's fuzz it to find out the length of our password. First of all, edit the payload equals to 1, then let's add our payload, add numbers from 1 to, let's say, 64. So minimum 1 and maximum 64 length we have supposed. Add okay. Okay, then start fuzzer. Okay, we have already seen the output. Okay, 500 internal server. Let's scroll off. Here's 200 okay response. That's the length of our password. Request 20 response. Okay, so 20 is our length of the password. So now let's find out the password. Open in requester or fuzz. Okay, let's fuzz this. Fuzz, and for finding out the password we need to update the payload. So let's update it. Select case when substring password starting string, length of the string to be taken, then we will compare it with a character. Okay, select case when substring of our password equals to character, close when, then we will return or select A, else we will select 1/0 divided by 0. We will try to convert 1 divided by 0 into character. That shall raise error. Then let's end our case, and we are selecting from users table where username equals administrator. Okay, and close our select, and this equals to A. Okay, this is our payload. So what this will do is, when the substring of password is equal to our password, then A will be selected and this statement will be true. Otherwise 2 character 1 divided by 0 shall be activated and this statement shall return false. Okay, now let's first of all save it. Then we need to add payloads to 1 and this character, this is for our password, that shall be alphanumeric for now, and this is the length or position of the password. We need to iterate in every position, so we will go from 1 to 20, select numbers from 1 to 20. That's the length of our password which we have recently discovered. Then let's update the character to which our password shall be compared. We shall upload a file containing the payload, program. So this is our file for payload. That's a collection of alphabets and numbers. Add. Okay, now our payload has been loaded. This is for length or the starting position, and this is for the character of password. Okay, now start fuzzer. Okay, let's see. We are seeing some 200 okay response. That shows the password. And after completion of fuzzer results, we shall export the result, and I have created a script in Python that shall return the password for our lab. You can go through search option here. That shall take us a little time, so I have written a Python script that returns the password. Okay, completed. Now here is our password. The last digit is O or 0. Okay, so we can go through it sequentially. That shall take some time. We can also search in the output of fuzzer. 805. Okay, due to some previous results, so we will not go here. Searching it from first would be tedious. Okay, first our character is I, so I have created a script. I will be using that, and I will provide the link of the script in the description, so you can download it from GitHub. First of all, let's export and name it lab3. Save. Okay, now open our, let's run the Python script. Hacking. Then we go to scripts. Script source. Then activate our local environment. Then we need to run our exported. We need to pass our exported CSV file into this script. Then the exported CSV file is located at it's located at, where is it located? Payloads, scripts, fuzz results, and lab 3. Okay, so this is our password, 20 digits character password. So let's copy it and let's go to our lab, my account, administrator, and paste our password, login. Okay, sold. This much. I will provide the link of the script in the description. This much for today. Thank you.